Introducing the innovative Bagel tape measure, which claims to be the world's smartest tape measure. According to its Korean developers, this tool is a much-needed upgrade from the familiar design that has remained unchanged for over a century. With its advanced features and capabilities, the Bagel tape measure aims to make measuring a breeze. The Bagel tape measure offers 3 different modes for measuring almost anything. It's equipped with an electronic system that can store over 100 measurements, making it an excellent tool for professionals who need to take multiple measurements on the go. Moreover, this tool has a voice note recording feature that can send measurement data to a mobile app. One of the most impressive features of the Bagel tape measure is its ability to switch quickly between millimeters, centimeters, inches, and feet. This makes it an incredibly versatile tool that can be used in various fields such as construction, engineering, and even fashion design. For those who aren't ready to embrace new technology, the Bagel tape measure also comes with a special line that can be used to take traditional measurements. And, with a micro USB cable, you can easily charge the device, and it will last for approximately 8 hours of continuous work. The Barth Clean GETAWAY 5 is an innovative and practical hose reeling device that has been designed to solve a specific but significant problem for homeowners and professionals alike. It is an excellent solution to help you wind up to 200 feet of hoses neatly with adjustable winding speeds of up to 4 miles per hour, thanks to its powerful electric motor. One of the most noteworthy features of this product is that it is battery-powered and has enough charge to reel up to 1,500 feet of hose. This makes it highly suitable for heavy-duty applications and large areas where hose management can be challenging. The manufacturer notes that winding and removing the hose from the device is incredibly easy, which will save you a considerable amount of time and effort. The device also allows for less stretching, which positively affects the service life of your hoses. In terms of its physical features, the device is equipped with wheels, making it easy to move around and store away after use. It weighs 58 pounds, which may seem heavy, but it's not too cumbersome to maneuver around, thanks to its wheel feature. Introducing the Eddy floor scraper, the ideal tool for anyone looking to remove soft floor coverings such as linoleum and carpeting with ease. This model boasts a lightweight design at only 25 pounds, making it easy to maneuver even in the tightest of spaces. With a speed of 5,800 RPM, the Eddy floor scraper is a powerful tool that quickly and efficiently removes floor coverings without deforming the underlying surface. Its special blades are designed to make flooring removal a breeze, and the set comes with 7 different blades that are easy to change as needed. Plus, you can store these blades in a handy case that comes with the tool. The Eddy floor scraper is also designed for easy use on stairs and in narrow corridors thanks to its detachable handle. So, whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this floor scraper is the perfect tool to add to your arsenal. Investing in the Eddy floor scraper is sure to save you time and money, as you'll be able to quickly remove floor coverings with minimal effort. Don't settle for a subpar tool when you can have the best. The Franklin ProSensor M150 is a compact yet powerful tool that can be of great use for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. With this device, you can easily detect hidden wiring in walls, metal and wooden studs without having to go through the hassle of setting it up and calibrating it. Simply turn it on and press it against the wall, and it will do the rest. One of the best things about this stud finder is that it is powered by just 2 AAA batteries, making it portable and easy to use on the go. With its 9 built-in sensors, it can detect up to a maximum depth of 1.5 inches, giving you accurate information about the location of hidden objects. The Franklin ProSensor M150 takes the guesswork out of finding studs, metal, and wiring in your walls. With its system of 15 LED lights instead of a traditional screen, you can see the information clearly and accurately. The LED display allows you to see both the edges and the center of the stud, and if the device detects a live wire, the lightning bolt warning icon will light up. Introducing the Griffin Adventure Tool, a next-generation multi-tool keychain that combines the power of 11 tools in one compact design. This versatile tool weighs just 0.04 pounds and can handle a variety of tasks, making it an essential accessory for anyone who loves the outdoors. The Griffin Adventure tool comes in several sizes, and the most compact one can easily fit in your pocket or be used as a keychain. With this multi-tool, you'll be able to set up a tent, fix a bicycle, open bottles, and even remove a kettle from the fire. According to the manufacturer, the design of each tool is the result of extensive market research, making this multi-tool stand out from others on the market. The Griffin Adventure tool is perfect for fishermen, hunters, tourists, and anyone who needs a reliable tool on hand. Whether you're planning a camping trip or just need a convenient tool for everyday use, the Griffin Adventure tool is a must-have accessory. With its compact size and impressive capabilities, this multi-tool is the perfect addition to any toolbox or keychain. The Kapro 340 POSTRITE folding post level is an essential tool for various applications ranging from road works to building construction. This lightweight tool, weighing only 0.5 pounds, can be easily attached to metal surfaces with 4 powerful magnets. Additionally, it comes with a removable elastic strap that can be used to fix the level on wood, plastic, and other materials. The level click locks every 15 degrees, ensuring accurate measurements, and the construction is easy to fold in half or unfold flat, making it convenient to store in transport. The vials are made of impact-resistant polyacrylic, adding to the tool's reliability and longevity. For those looking for an even lighter option, the manufacturer also offers a mini model that weighs only 0.11 pounds. With its impressive design and functionality, the Kapro 340 POSTRITE folding post level is a must-have tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The process of applying and cutting masking tape can be tedious and frustrating, not to mention the potential risks involved in doing it by hand. The Masking Master is a tool designed to make this task easier and more efficient. This device allows for one-handed application, alignment, and cutting of the tape, making it a breeze to use. The manufacturer claims that it can glue the tape 5 times faster, and it's much safer than doing it by hand, reducing the risk of cuts and scratches on both the surface and your hands. One of the most significant benefits of the Masking Master is its ability to create clean lines and eliminate unprotected areas that can quickly become dirty or covered in paint, varnish, foam, or other substances. The tool comes with a handy spatula that can be used to add the finishing touches to corners, ensuring that every edge is perfectly sealed. The Masking Master comes with a storage case, making it easy to transport and store when not in use. This tool is an excellent investment for anyone who needs to apply masking tape regularly, whether you're a professional painter, DIY enthusiast, or just someone who wants to make the process easier and more efficient. The Milescraft 1620 SandPlane is an essential accessory for any woodworking shop. This versatile set includes 5 items that can be used for furniture restoration or sanding other materials like copper. The developers have taken care to design the set with interchangeable accessories that can adapt to different shapes of surfaces that need to be sanded. This is especially useful when working with furniture legs, baseboards, ornamental panels, and other objects that can be tricky to work with. The accessories included in the set are suitable for use with a 5-inch sanding disc. The mounting system ensures that the disc is securely held in place and will not slip during use. This provides peace of mind and a stable work environment, allowing you to focus on your sanding job without having to worry about equipment safety. With the Milescraft 1620 SandPlane set, you can enjoy the benefits of fast and efficient sanding, even on the most challenging surfaces. The set is easy to use and will save you time and effort, allowing you to complete your sanding projects quickly and easily. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this set is an excellent addition to your toolbox. The OX Pro Aluminum Kevlar Chalk Reel is a tool that has recently entered the market and has already earned the title of revolutionary. One of the reasons for this is its use of Kevlar line, which is much stronger than traditional lines, boasting a strength that is 20 times greater. With a length of 100 feet, the line is both long and durable. Furthermore, the built-in locking mechanism makes it incredibly easy to use, ensuring that the line stays taut and in place as you work. One of the standout features of this chalk reel is its hook design, which is both compact and provides a secure grip, preventing it from slipping. The reel itself is made of aluminum, which makes it sturdy yet lightweight, and its 6:1 gear ratio enables you to reel the line quickly and safely. The ergonomic shape of the tool also ensures that you can work comfortably for extended periods, which is particularly useful for larger projects that require a lot of marking. The Ryobi debris sweeper is a compact Japanese sweeper designed to handle a variety of locations, from apartments to construction sites. Its height adjustment and two universal brushes make it an effective cleaning tool that can remove not only dust but also wood chips, soda cans, pine cones, and other large debris. One of the most remarkable features of this product is that it runs on battery power, making it highly convenient to use. A single charge can last for up to 200 minutes of operation, making it ideal for extended cleaning sessions. The waste container has a capacity of 4.5 gallons and is made of transparent material, making it easy to monitor when it needs to be emptied. The Ryobi debris sweeper is also designed to be space efficient, with folding handles and a width of 1.7 feet. This makes it easy to store in small spaces when not in use, such as in a closet or garage. Introducing the Scheppach Dumper DP3000, a powerful and innovative machine that combines the convenience of a garden wheelbarrow with the capabilities of a dump truck. With a gasoline engine that packs 5.6 horsepower, this mini dump truck is capable of carrying loads up to 661.4 pounds. The Scheppach Dumper DP3000 boasts all-wheel drive, ensuring maximum traction even on the most slippery and muddy terrain. Its cargo bed can be tilted, just like in real dump trucks, to easily dump contents in the desired location. Not only that, but this mini dump truck also has a reverse gear, capable of moving backwards at up to 1.2 miles per hour. This innovative machine is not just useful for gardeners and landscapers, but also for forestry professionals. Its compact size allows it to work in tight spaces and on challenging terrains, making it a versatile and practical tool to have in any outdoor project. Looking for a versatile wrench to tackle a variety of jobs? Look no further than the STANLEY DYNAGRIP STHT0-72123. This innovative tool combines the capabilities of 27 different wrenches in one convenient package, making it a must-have for any toolbox or tool bag. The STANLEY DYNAGRIP STHT0-72123 features two reversible ratchets, making it easier and more convenient to use than traditional wrenches. With adjustable rings on both heads, you can quickly set the size you need, with a total adjustment range of 0.4 to 1 inch. Crafted from high-quality steel and weighing in at just 2.2 pounds, this wrench is built to last, with a lifespan of 25,000 work cycles. And with a comfortable plastic cover, you won't have to worry about hand fatigue during long jobs. If you're someone who likes to get their hands dirty and work on their own vehicles, you know how challenging it can be to work under a car. It's not just difficult to reach the problem areas, but it's also uncomfortable to lie on the ground for an extended period of time. However, the Snap-on heavy-duty off-road creeper can make your life easier. This platform can comfortably hold up to 396 pounds and features puncture-resistant 8-inch wheels. One of the best things about this platform is its versatility. It's not just for cars but can also be used with agricultural and other machinery. Additionally, the wide headrest and unique wheel arrangement make it easy to spin on the spot, giving you access to the desired component without having to get out from under the car. It's worth noting that the Snap-on heavy-duty off-road creeper isn't just practical, but it's also designed for comfort. The wide headrest provides a comfortable place for your head, making it easier to work for extended periods of time. The platform itself is also lightweight, weighing in at just 35 pounds, which makes it easy to move around as needed.